All right, the next tool in the Lifestyle Designer is your income tracker. And what this is going to do, you'll notice that when you log in, it will already be pre-populated with a monthly income target. Now, this is pulled from where you reverse engineered your lifestyle. So you said, these are all the things that I want to have and or do. And here's the monthly income target. So that's automatically pulled into your income tracker. So it's already telling you what you need to hit. What we're doing here is just keeping track. We're measuring our progress. And so again, here what we're trying to do is we're trying to say, hey, how close are we to our goal? Now, when we go back to the wealth score, there's two types of income, active income versus passive income. We measure that separately because ultimately when you have infinite wealth, it's because your passive income surpasses your monthly income target. So here's how this works. We're going to come in here. We're going to click add income stream. And you might just say marketing agency. Let's say you own a marketing agency and your monthly income is $15,000 from that, but it's active income. So we're going to come in here and add a stream. It comes in here, it says total monthly income. It shows it's active versus passive. And then it shows how close are you to hitting your target. So it says you're 56% of the way, 57 almost percent of the way there. So then let's say you have a rental property 1. What I want you to do is not revenue, but your actual cash flow to that. So let's say your cash flow is $500, but that's passive income. And you're going to add the income. So now it logs it under passive income, but it's hitting closer to your goal. It keeps track of each of your income sources. Now you can edit or delete these, but again, every time you add a new income source, let's go digital funnel. Let's say it's making us $2,500 a month and it's active. Let's just say it's active for now. Okay. And then we're saying faceless. Let's go faceless content. Let's go faceless Instagram. If I could spell page. Let's say that's generating 7,500, but that's passive. So we've got it completely. So now you can see we're at 96% of our goal. And it just allows you, again, to keep track of your monthly income target. And ultimately, you want to get this right here, your passive income streams higher than your monthly target. But again, it just allows you to keep track of those and measure how close you are to reaching your goals.